Now, a day after revealing its ace, its trump card in Delhi, the BJP is now all set to make the trump card the party's chief ministerial candidate. Top party sources, if they are to be believed, Kiran Bedi is expected to be the Delhi chief ministerial candidate of the BJP. According to sources, Kiran Bedi's candidature will be announced shortly. The BJP, she could well be the BJP campaign panel in charge. A decision could come in the next 3 days. The BJP is likely to make this decision public on the 19th of January.
You're seeing a pitch battle in Delhi. Is this battle going to be Arvind Kejriwal versus Kiran Bedi, former allies of Anna Hazare?
I don't consider this as a battle. I don't use this as a word battle. I think it's a choice.
Election battle.
It's a choice. I think people will just ballot by choice. Who do they want? What kind of government they want? What kind of faces they want to see? What kind of political party they want to lead? What kind of leadership? Would they look up to the centre? Because Delhi is aligned with the centre.
It seems that the BJP leadership acknowledges the fact that you have immense experience and knowledge, and they are actually looking at you as the CM candidate. Any news on that, ma'am? And will you be able to shoulder the responsibility if it's given to you?
No matter what they acknowledge, I'm exceedingly grateful to them. I'm very, it doesn't come easy. This acknowledgement comes after a huge amount of hard work. If they're acknowledging it, not that I was waiting for any acknowledgement, but if it is coming, I'm very, very grateful to them. They're being very generous.
I would want to ask, ma'am, will Kiran Bedi, who's never shied away from any responsibility, if the BJP gives you the responsibility to rally ahead, to take the mantle of the CM candidate and work hard and in the election battle, are you ready to shoulder that responsibility?
The fact that I'm in the election fray itself is a beginning of a responsibility. Let the next step come. Let's surmount the first step.
It seems that the AAP party is completely silent over your joining, in terms of they are not critical of it. Arvind Kejriwal has wished you all the best. So what does that
That's
signify?
new politics. That's good new politics. I think that's called new politics. That's called mature, and that's the politics I'd like to live in.
Mature new politics, says Kiran Bedi, but let's listen into Anna Hazare. He's reacted to Kiran Bedi joining the BJP. Anna Hazare said Kiran Bedi was not in touch with him. She did not call him or talk to him before joining the BJP. Let's listen in.
एकच वाक्य
काल एवढे लोक आले मी कोणाशीच बोललो नाही.
पर अभी जो आपको लगता है कि जो भी हो रहा है ठीक हो रहा है, बस इतना ही चाहिए कि आपको आपके सब साथी एक एक करके छोड़ गए. अन्ना, आपको लगता है किरण बेदी ने जो किया वो सही किया? क्या क्या कहेंगे? क्या सर, नाराज हो, खुश हो, आशीर्वाद है नहीं है? कुछ तो कहेंगे. अन्ना खुश है कि नहीं? अण्णा लाईव्ह साठी ओबी व्हॅन आणलेली आहे. आता मी काय करू सांगा?
Headlines today's Pankaj Khelkar there was trying to get Anna Hazare to react on camera. Now, Aam Aadmi Party leader Kumar Vishwas has spoken to Headlines today, says he too was offered a BJP seat. Kumar Vishwas attacked the BJP, saying Kiran Bedi's inclusion has proved that the BJP did not have a face in the upcoming elections. Let's listen in.
ये भाजपा जानती थी कि जगदीश मुखी का चेहरा लगाकर, विजय गोयल, विजेंद्र गुप्ता जी, किसी का भी चेहरा लगाकर वो अरविंद केजरीवाल की ईमानदारी और उसकी मेहनत और उसके कैरियर का मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए उन्हें आयात करना पड़ा. वो शाजिया के पास गए, मुझसे भी अप्रोच किया गया, किरण बेदी के पीछे भी वो उतने दिन तक रहे और उन्हें समझौता करना पड़ा, आयात करना पड़ा. तो पार्टी चेहरा तो आयात कर लेगी, पार्टी लोग तो ले आएगी, लेकिन जो सवाल पार्टी के हैं, क्योंकि किरण जी का मैं ट्वीट अभी देख रहा था, किरण जी ने कहा कि जो पार्टियां अपने चंदे का हिसाब ना देती हूं उन पार्टियों को वोट करना देश के साथ गद्दारी है. तो क्या भाजपा ने अपने 85% चंदे का हिसाब दे दिया?
Less than 3 weeks for elections in Delhi. The public discourse is now changing. First Kiran Bedi, and now the BJP has also inducted Shazia Ilmi. Now, Shazia Ilmi was one of the founder members of the Aam Aadmi Party. She, of course, said she was disillusioned with the Aam Aadmi Party, did not see inner party democracy there. Shazia Ilmi participated in BJP's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. that set of talks that she was going to join the BJP. There was still no official confirmation. Shazia Ilmi, of course, says that she will not contest elections, has only joined the party to serve Delhi. Let's listen in.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए जब बुलाया गया तो मैं बड़ी खुशी आई। मैंने एक मिनट भी संकोच नहीं किया और मैं खुलकर अपनी बात रखती हूँ। और मैंने 6 महीने देखा, मैं भाजपा पहले भी ज्वाइन कर सकती थी, कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर सकती थी, आप में वापस आ सकती थी, लेकिन मैंने 6 महीने देखा और मुझे सच में लगा कि एक नए तरीके का पॉलिटिकल डिस्कोर्स है, संवाद और संकल्प नया है और मैं उसका हिस्सा होना चाहती हूँ। मैं चुनाव ना लड़ना चाहती हूँ, ना ही लड़ूंगी।
निश्चित रूप से बहुत सारे लोग पार्टी की तरफ आ रहे हैं और पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो उनका स्वागत है पार्टी के अंदर। निश्चित रूप से लोगों को लगता है जिस प्रकार का परिवर्तन आज देश में है, मोदी जी जिस प्रकार से काम कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह की गुड गवर्नेंस, लोगों के सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं और लोगों को लगता है कि वास्तव में जो इतने 67-68 साल में नहीं हुआ वो होना अब संभव है। और इसलिए ये वास्तव में लोगों का विश्वास, जो लोगों का विश्वास टूट गया था, वो विश्वास दोबारा से जुड़ा है।